Hi everyone, it's Caitlin here from Crystal Cove Conservancy. Now that you've chosen a specific research question to investigate and made a model of the ecosystem in your gardens, it's time for you to start setting up the experiment at your school site. As you probably remember, we want to know if birds will eat more caterpillars off certain plant species. If some plants are better adapted to attracting birds to eat caterpillars off the plant, they might have a better chance at growing and surviving in your gardens or here in Crystal Cove State Park. You have chosen a specific plant adaptation to focus on and selected 2 plants to compare in your gardens and made a model to show how those 2 different types of plants might grow differently. Now, we want you to use the models you made with your research teams to make a hypothesis or a prediction about which type of plant you think will end up with more caterpillars eaten off of it. How can we tell which plants have more caterpillars eaten off of them? Sitting around for hours and trying to see every single time a bird comes in to eat a bug would be really difficult. And caterpillars can move around, so it would be hard to figure out if one got eaten or just crawled away. Instead, we can make our own caterpillars out of clay, like this one here. And if we place these caterpillars out on plants and leave them there for a few days, when we come back, if any caterpillars have visible marks in them, like you can even make them with your hands, then that might tell us that a bird tried to eat it. So you can do this in your garden by placing these clay caterpillars on different plants and comparing where the caterpillars get attacked the most. So your task for today will be to make a prediction or a hypothesis about where you think our clay caterpillars will be attacked the most. Then you can set up your experiment to test your hypothesis.